It's Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This patient, I think he might have been sweet on you, Wendy. He said he brought you a gift. Anyhow, he had gotten done 3 or 4 times.
It's been more than that times. He just doesn't like to tell you everything because you tell everybody.
Yeah, by 1 or 2 local competitors, and he looked like this. And man, he's about 42 or 43 years old with a limited amount of skinny donor hair, and
lots of real estate to cover,
and not a whole lot of donor hair left.
Yeah,
to work
like
on.
5, 6 different mistakes.
And so together we agreed we'd do a left side hair transplant so that he could part over it. And this is him at the end of the case. And then he didn't do a great job cleaning, even though he lives close by.
And it was COVID time.
We were here, doctor, healing the sick.
I know, but he had to take care of his kids.
And then he came in at a year, and he looked like this. And then he popped by at 2 years and looked like this. And that looks good. It's not great. It's a limited amount of hair, but it lets him look unremarkable at the grocery store.
So, and for him doing all those mistakes, when he came in here, he was really, you called him...
A hair cripple.
Yes.
That's what he was, yeah.
And
he only wore a hat. And
he only wore a hat. Now, when he came in, he wasn't wearing a hat. Mm-hmm. And, for people would say, oh, that's nothing. It's a big deal. But for him, just... combing his hair a little bit over. And it looks, it's a guy that's balding. That's how it looks now. But it doesn't look anymore like people trying to figure out what happened to him. He says he doesn't get those kind of looks. Yeah. And he had me squeeze a little bit on this side to see if he wants to do some more.
And we're not doing it anymore.
No, he doesn't have any more. He has no more donor area.
So we do lots of repair work. And if you're going to have a hair transplant, make sure you plan for the future, execute it properly, and
then there's limited donor area. It's not that you can have more money to fix one mistake after another mistake. You don't have enough hair to fix all the mistakes.
Right.
Yeah.
We can help you. Give us a call.